This video sponsored by Value Testers. Great promo offer on Testo, Fieldpiece, and Bacharach. Free 2-day shipping on purchase of $200 or more on selected seasonal testing equipment. Link in description below.
Morning, guys. It is March 9th, 2019, Saturday morning. I got a no heat call. Gas boiler. The guy said the pilot won't come on, or pilot's out. So I don't think I've ever worked for this guy before. He wants to know if I do emergency service. He wants to know if I do emergency service. Well, I told him I'd come out Saturday morning. It's a little bit more money than during the week, obviously. You know, and then after 12 on Saturdays, even more. Sunday and nights, it's a higher price. Try not to work on the weekends, but I mean, it's cold out, people need heat, so it's out. It's definitely calling there. Yeah. You didn't shut nothing off, or you did? Yeah, you did shut stuff off.
Yeah, I shut it off just to light the pilot. Yeah, I don't think it would matter.
But the pilot is out.
Yeah. Okay.
Tough one to get to. Get a light over here. Electric's off, so I don't have to worry about the wiring. Pilot's out. Pilot's out. Well, we'll take that out and put a new thermocouple in there. Try the thermocouple and see if that works. Here, make sure all these doors are clean around here. Yeah, that's good. I should be able to light the pilot now. It's good at the pilot. It's good to get the power off still. If you notice, I did blow it out with that piece of tubing. I should be able to release that. It should stay on. Alright, it's staying on. Turn this to on. Put the cover on and then turn the power on and fire. Well, how can I help you?
That's round hill.
Yeah, what's up?
That sump pump is on all the time. If I bang it a couple of times with a hammer, sometimes it goes off.
Boy, sounds like
It's not a crisis because no water is coming in.
Alright, yeah. Which one is it now? Which pump is it? There's two pumps there.
Yeah, it's the one near me. I don't know whether it's the upper or the downer. It has a blue top to it. A blue switch box.
So when you're looking at the pit, listen to me. When you're looking at the pit, is it the first one or the second one in there?
First one.
So it's the one closest to you when you're looking at the pit.
Yeah.
All right, I'll come by Monday and change it. Both pumps are working. It's just one pump's not working. We'll just unplug that one pump that's not working out of the switch.
That's what I did.
Okay, so the one that's unplugged needs to be changed.
Yeah.
They won't. I don't think they want me in there. They don't want me in there during, on the weekends.
Yeah.
Well, it'll be cheaper on Monday. I mean, I'll get time and a half today. You want to pay the time and a half? Why don't I just come by Monday?
I'll wait till Monday.
I figured that.
You're the same way. Don't kid me.
All right, I'll go by there Monday. I know what the situation is over there, and I'll take care of it for you.
Okay. You mentioned once that you might replace the switch. It might just be the switch.
Well, my experience with that is a lot of times you're better off just changing the whole pump than the switch, because sometimes there's an issue with the casting or something, or and the first switch went. You're better off just changing the whole pump.
All right. It is not the float, because I've played with a float up and down. It doesn't make any difference.
Are you sure it's not you're just being paranoid about shit? Because I know how you are.
Yeah. I am sure. Because
Okay.
the guy I've had working here, he's been working with that with me.
Feed is not stuck. I did replace that damper control. 11/30/10. Wow. 8 years ago. Today replaced the thermocouple. It was out when I got here, so I just put a little thermocouple in it. Could be the gas valve, but most likely it's that. Them are his tools I'll leave there. That one's calling. That one's calling. But it is heating up. Yeah, she's starting to heat up, so she should be fine. There's pressure in the boiler. It'll be fine.